Hello there, hope you are having an amazing day. Today in this video, we are going to be learning yet another interesting 4 basic operations in decimal video, which for this video is multiplication. We are already done with addition and subtraction. All there is to cover are multiplication and division. So let's start and move on to the video. How to solve multiplication in decimals. Okay, here's the thing. Solving multiplication in decimals is the same thing as solving basic multiplication. Just apply the decimal point rule in which I'm gonna explain and you'll be good to go. Let's see an example. 55.5 into 12.1. Keep the position as shown and start solving as normal multiplication. Starting from the rightmost side of 12.1, which is 1. Now 1 into 5 gives us 5 itself. Next 1 into 5 gives us 5. Again 1 into 5 gives us 5. So for the first row, we get the result as 555. Next row, keep x or a 0. I'll keep x. Now 2 into 5 gives 10. Keep 0 in the second row and 1 on top of 5. Next 2 into 5 is equal to 10. 1 has been carried to the top. So 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. Keep 1 in the row and again 1 gets carried to the top of 5. 2 into 5 gives 10. 10 plus 1 is equal to 11. So keep 11 in the second row and yes, we get the answer as 11,100 for the second row. Now on the third row, I'll keep 2x now. You can keep 2 zeros as well, no problem at all. Okay, time to solve this quickly. 1 into 5 gives 5. 1 into 5 gives 5 and finally 1 into 5 gives 5. So the result for the third row is 55,500. Now you know what to do. That's right. Time to add up these 3 rows. Starting from the right side, remember x is also as 0, not a variable. 5 plus 0 is 5. Keep 5 in the answer. Now 5 plus 0 gives 5 as well. Keep it in the answer. Next, 5 plus 1 plus 5 gives us 11. Keep 1 in the answer and the other one on the top of the one next to 5. That's here. 1 plus 1 plus 5 gives 7. Keep 7 in our answer. And finally 1 plus 5 gives 6. And wait, we got our sum as 67,155. But wait, the answer is not yet completed. Remember this rule always. Count the number of digits after the decimal in each factor. In this case, there is a point next to a digit. One digit only in 55.5 and another in 12.1. Now, put the same number of digits behind the decimal in the product. So a decimal should come before 2 digits. So the point comes near the left side of 5. So the answer product is 671.55. Great! Next example, 897.235 into 123.45. This example might be tough. So yeah, let's start anyways. Let's solve quickly. Keep the position. Start from the right side. 5 into 5 gives 25. Keep 5 and 2 on top of 3. 5 into 3 gives 15. 15 plus 2 gives 17. Keep 7 in the answer and 1 on top of 2. 5 into 2 gives 10. 10 plus 1 gives 11. Keep 1 in the answer and the other one on the top of 7. Ignore the decimal point. 5 into 7 gives 35. 35 plus 1 gives 36. Keep 6 in the answer and 3 on top of 9. 5 into 9 gives 45. 45 plus 3 gives 48. Keep 8 in answer and 4 on top of 8. 5 into 8 gives 40. And 40 plus 4 gives 44. Keep 44 in the answer. And there, for the first row, we get the result as 4,486,175. Now for the second row, keep a 0. 4 into 5 gives 20. 4 into 3 gives 12. 12 plus 2 gives 14. Keep 4 in the answer and 1 on top of 2. 4 into 2 gives 8. 8 plus 1 gives 9. Keep 9 in the answer. Ignore the decimal point. 4 into 7 gives 20. Keep 8 in the answer and 2 on top of 9. 4 into 9 gives 36. 36 plus 2 gives 38. Keep 8 in the answer and 3 on top of 8. 4 into 8 gives 32 and 32 plus 3 gives 35. Keep 35 in the answer and great, for the second row we get the result as 35,889,400. Next in the third row, keep 2 zeros. 3 into 5 gives 15. Keep 5 and 1 on top of 3. 3 into 3 gives 9. 9 plus 1 gives 10. Keep 0 in the answer and 1 on top of 2. 3 into 2 gives 6. 6 plus 1 gives 7. Keep 7 in the answer. Ignore the decimal point. 3 into 7 gives 21. Keep 1 in the answer and 2 on top of 9. 3 into 9 gives 27. 27 plus 2 gives 29. Keep 9 in the answer and 2 on top of 8. 3 into 8 gives 24 and 24 plus 2 gives 26. Keep 26 in the answer and fantastic! For the third row, we get the result as 269,170,500. Time for the fourth row. Keep 3 zeros, 2 into 5 gives 10. Keep 0 and 1 on top of 3. 2 into 3 gives 6. 6 plus 1 gives 7. Keep 7 in the answer. 2 into 2 gives 4. Keep 4 in the answer. Ignore the decimal point. 2 into 7 gives 14. Keep 4 in the answer and 1 on top of 9. 2 into 9 gives 18. 18 plus 1 gives 19. Keep 9 in the answer and 1 on top of 8. 2 into 8 gives 16 and 16 plus 1 gives 17. Keep 17 in the answer and fabulous! In the fourth row, we get the result as 1,794,470,000. Now time to solve the last row, which is the fifth row. Keep 4 zeros. 1 into 5 gives 5. Keep 5. 1 into 3 gives 3. Keep 3 in the answer. 1 into 2 gives 2. Keep 2 in the answer. Ignore the decimal point. 1 into 7 gives 7. Keep 7 in the answer. 1 into 9 gives 9. Keep 9 in the answer. And finally 1 into 8 gives 8. Keep 8 in the answer. And excellent! In the fifth and the final row, we get the result as 8,972,350,000. Now you know what to do. Yes, and that's to add up the rows. There are totally 10 columns. Time to start solving from the first column. 5 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 5. Now the second column. 7 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 7. Now third column. 1 plus 4 plus 5 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 10. Keep 0 and 1 to the top of 6. Fourth column. 1 plus 6 plus 9 plus 0 plus 0 plus 0 is equal to 16. Keep 6 and 1 on top of 8. Fifth column. 1 plus 8 plus 8 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5 is equal to 36. Keep 6 and 3 on the top of 4. Sixth column. 3 plus 4 plus 8 plus 1 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 23. Keep 3 and 2 on the top of 4. Seventh column. 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 9 plus 4 plus 2 is equal to 26. Keep 6 and 2 on the top of 3. Eighth column. 2 plus 3 plus 6 plus 9 plus 7 is equal to 27. Keep 7th and 2 on the top of 2. Ninth column. 2 plus 2 plus 7 plus 9 is equal to 20. Keep 0 and 2 on the top of 1. Finally, the last 10th column. 2 plus 1 plus 8 is equal to 11. Great! We got the answer as 11,076,366,075. But wait, the answer is not over. We need to keep the decimal point. Let's go back to the question. 897.235 and 123.45. The decimal point goes past 3 digits. Just imagine the point goes from here to here, 3 digits, which is 2, 3 and 5. Now keep that in mind. Let's say 123.45. The point passes 2 digits. Imagine the decimal point going from here to there. Yep, it passes 4 and 5, 2 digits. Now sum up the past digits. In 897.235, 3 digits are passed. In 123.45, 2 digits are passed. So 3 plus 2 gives 5. Hence, in the answer, we should pass 5 digits starting from the right side. Okay, back to the answer where we left out. Imagine the point here. Pass 5 digits and it goes here. In between 3 and 6 and there. The answer is 110,763.66075. Oof, that was long. But we did it together. Okay, guess that's it for examples. Let's move to a word problem based on multiplication of decimals. Word problem based on multiplication of decimals. Point number 1. A woman earns $14.79 each hour. She works in her office and each day she works for 8.5 hours. How much money will she earn if she works for 5 days? Solution. We have to find out how much money she earns each day if we have to find how much she earns in 5 days. So each day she works for 8.5 hours and each hour she earns $14.79. So yeah, let's multiply. Keep the position as shown. 5 into 9 is equal to 45. Keep 5 in the answer and 4 on top of 7. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. 4 is on top. So 35 plus 4 gives us 39. Keep 9 in the answer and 3 on top of 4. 5 into 4 is equal to 20. 20 plus 3 gives 23. Keep 3 in the answer and 2 on top of 1. 5 into 1 is 5 and 5 plus 2 gives 7. Keep 7 and so result for the first row is 7,395. Next row, keep 0. 18 to 9 gives 72. Keep 2 in the answer and 7 on top of 7. 8 into 7 is 56. 56 plus 7 gives 63. Keep 3 in the answer and 6 on top of 4. 8 into 4 gives 32. 32 plus 6 gives 38. Keep 8 in the answer and 3 on top of 1. 8 into 1 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Keep 11 and we get our result for second row. Now it's time to add. 5 plus 0 is 5. 9 plus 2 is 11. Keep 1 and the other one on top of 3. 1 plus 3 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 8 is 15. Keep 5 in the answer and 1 on top of 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. And finally, 1 plus nothing is 1. And there, the answer is 125,715. And don't forget the decimal point. Let's see the question. 14.79 and 8.5. Two digits are passed in 14.79 and one digit is passed in 8.5. 2 plus 1 gives 3. So in 125,715, keep a decimal point which passes 3 digits. There, it will go in between 5 and 7. Therefore, the answer is 125.715. So it's clear that the woman earns $125.715 each day. Next in the question, they are saying how much she earns in 5 days, and you know what to do. Keep the position. 5 into 5 gives 25. Keep 5 and 2 on top of 1. 5 into 1 gives 5. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. Keep 7. 5 into 7 gives 35. Keep 5 in the answer and 3 on top of 5. 5 into 5 gives 25. 25 plus 3 gives 28. Keep 8 in the answer and 2 on top of 2. 5 into 2 gives 10 and 10 plus 2 gives 12. Keep 2 in the answer and 1 on top of 1. 5 into 1 gives 5 and 5 plus 1 gives 6. And the answer we get is 628,575. Now let's find where we can place the decimal point. In the question, 125.715 and 5. 3 digits are passed in 125.715 whereas 0 digits are passed in 5. 3 plus 0 gives 3. So for the answer pass 3 digits which is 5, 7 and 5. And there, keep the point in between 8 and 5 and excellent. The answer is 628.575. So we can conclude that the woman earns $628.575 in 5 days. Great! We are done with this video. Subscribe with notifications on, like the video, comment your feedbacks and share this video. See you all in the next video which is division of decimals. See you there. Bye bye.